Alright everybody out there in the interwebs, I'm going to do a video of how this table and this chair is going to go fit in my bag. I'll get you the model numbers of everything because there's actually a smaller table that we bought, but we like this table because look at the height when you're eating. We got two of these, so like we go and eat like Half Moon Bay or something like that, we can eat, can relax, you know. So I'm not, when I go to the hospital, they say I'm 150, 155. I had some guys that sit on this that are Owens, some Owens, and they're about 240. They sat on it, but they felt like it was going to break, which is respectful, but it didn't break, right? So they were able to relax and sit like this. And I wish I had a video recorder, but here we go. So how do you fold these things? Well, let's fold the table first. So don't worry about zooming in, but all I'm doing is taking this and putting them in these slots on both ends. You saw how I did that accordion style. It comes with this elastic, right? Not so bad, not so bad. And then here, there are these poles. Flip these poles out. Boom. I always do that to make sure the dust is not there. And you put them in the bag. These bags have slots. See that? That's two sleeves. That's pretty cool. They don't rub each other. Even though they're aluminum, I thought that was good idea. Here's I can't pronounce the name, but here's the name. Sovigour. All right, $29 I think. This is the medium size, and I just throw this in here. See how that fit? Boom. And it fits right in there. This bag rated is 21 inches on the top, right? So 22 inches on top. So but it actually lays pretty flat, which is cool. And then this is a bag for this, and I'll show you how I disassemble this. But this is how big that bag is. Folded. Right, and this is the moon lens. I got two of these for like $50, $54, something like that. So these are all worth it, as you can tell. So look it fits in here. Look how much space you got in there. Okay. So let me go and show you how I wrap this thing up. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. It's folded in half. Right? Fold it easy in half. I keep that middle one down. So just imagine how easy it is it's even easier to open it up and install. Okay. Now the question is, are there more comfortable chairs? I don't know if there are more comfortable chairs that'll fit in here. I know the taller version will. But you can't fit as many, of course, in here, right? And I'll probably do a review on that a little bit later. But then you just roll it up there. This isn't a rolling packing thing. Actually, this video is more of how you can fit these bags into a bagger. You don't know what kind of bike this is. This is a 2017 Road Glide stock bag size. So it's not like these are extended bags or anything like that. But you see how fast that was? That may be fast to you. To me, that's really fast. Small baggie. Okay. Now the cool thing about this bag too is if you had a backpack, you sell these. They got these multiple lanyard stripes. Is that what they call them nowadays? You got changed when I was younger backpack. Oh. Okay. I don't know if you can see inside there, but that's a lot of room. Okay. There's room back there too, and I just put this in there like that. Okay. What I try to watch for though, this right here is kind of pointy. They can rub on the bag pretty hard. So you just take something and just stretch it up there. Like I could put these gloves in there, things like that. But that's just later lesson learned. I always carry garbage bag and stuff. I can shove that in there so it doesn't hit right against it. Okay. Not doing anything special. Not pushing anything down too hard. Don't worry, that wasn't a COVID cough. That was an allergy cough. That's it. Hopefully that helps.